Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see a super Instagram filter which was like a fire filter like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. Just click on the effect option here, go to the search option here, then type as light my fire. You can see the first filter I just talking about. Click this. Now you can see the fully it has been firing. If you are taking a cube like this, the cube still also have a fire like this, so you can make a okay, I just taking another remote here, so it's also made at fire. And if I take a cube, it's also fire. So it's a super thing. You can use this effect and make a crazy Instagram reel effect by using this fire filter. And I think this filter is one of my favorite filter for Instagram reels. And you can make a concept creating a reels by using this particular filter. You can see the object also making a fire like this. And if you like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And I just also show the view effect page here. So more than 1.9 million reels has been created using this particular filter. So try this. We will meet our next video with this so valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.